Alat niyan. Yung medyo pabilog na
Okay, ngayon magluluto tayo ng ginataang bigas. Ito ang ating ingredients. Colorful. Excuse na lang yung saging Chinese ang nabili. Ini saging ng Pilipino. We cut the sweet potato into cubes. We need any color of the sweet potato. Anything that you have in your kitchen. This is it. Now we're gonna chop the taro in cubes as well. So we're gonna start to cook now. We have this cup of glutinous rice and this coconut cream, coconut milk, and then the shredded young coconut and the sweet yam and taro. Now this is the casserole. Okay, the rice is already boiling. We open up a little bit. This is for the ginataan. We boiled the glutinous rice first with water until it's softened. Then we're gonna add the other ingredients like the coconut flesh coconut, and the coconut milk and cream, and this the sweet potatoes and taros that we are already cut them into cubes. Look at that vibrant, colorful. While we are waiting for the ginataan rice to be softened, we need to talk to these birds first. Commercial muna.
Gusto mo ito? Gusto mo?
Hi, Star. Shine.
Out, Marlene! Out!
Shine.
Out!
Shine. Hi. Shine.
Not yet enough, not yet softened enough. So we need more minutes. Maybe probably 30 more minutes before it will add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients because the rice is already soft enough. And here we go. Lastly, we're gonna add coconut milk and cream so we can enjoy soon.
We'll add the young shredded coconut.
We're gonna add muscovado sugar. Luto ng ating buchacha.
Bubuchacha. Bilo-bilo.
So, sandok na.
Bilo-bilo.
Now it's cooked, guys. Let's eat. Yummy, yummy. Ay, may guava na, malapit na mag-ani, For your eyes only, ha. Huwag kang pipitas pichi, ha. Hindi yan sa'yo. Si Rowel lang ang pumipitas niyan. Ngayon, wala na siya.
Dali na, Mak. Namitas man ako kanina.
Si Ate Babes na ang pipitas niyan.
Dali na.
Hello! Is this moon or sky? Hello, sky! Sky is blue, but now it's yellow. Hi, star! Hi, star! For sunshine. Sunshine! Hello? Sunshine! Do you still recognize me? Hello, Iceman. Maverick, you're not eating that, Maverick. This is Marmar. Wow, may bunga na ang langka. O, tingnan mo, ilang taon lang yan. Namunga na. Yan, tama. Kailangan talaga lagyan ng ano. Kailangan talaga i-safety. Lagyan ng tawag nito. Supot. Binakuran para hindi makuha ng mga Pilipino.
Ano ba ito?
Ay, hindi pala. May nagnakaw.
Hugoy!
Sinarge ko sa sasakyan. Sinarge ko sa balkon. Sa balkon.
Ay,